Are you looking for ways to make money with home cleaning services? In today's fast-paced world, people are constantly seeking ways to save time. One of the areas where they're more than willing to outsource is home cleaning. That's where home cleaning services come in, offering a solution that's not just convenient, but also efficient. Let's talk about the potential of the home cleaning industry. It's a thriving market, brimming with opportunities. With the rising demand for professional cleaning services, there's a goldmine waiting for those ready to roll up their sleeves and dive in. Think about it. Who doesn't enjoy coming home to a clean, fresh-smelling house without having to lift a finger? Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or an experienced business owner, starting a business in this field could be your ticket to a profitable venture. So, if you're ready to explore this avenue, stay tuned as we delve into 3 profitable ideas for a home cleaning service business. Our first idea is starting your own home cleaning business. This venture begins with identifying your target market. This could be working professionals, busy families, or elderly individuals who could use a helping hand. The key is to understand who needs your services the most and tailor your offerings accordingly. Next, you'll need to purchase the necessary cleaning supplies. Start with the basics: a reliable vacuum, a variety of cleaning solutions, microfiber cloths, and a sturdy mop. As your business grows, you might consider investing in more specialized equipment. Marketing your services is a crucial step. You could use social media, flyers, or even word of mouth to reach your potential customers. Highlight what sets you apart. Maybe it's your attention to detail or your eco-friendly cleaning solutions. Lastly, set competitive prices. Research what other home cleaning services are charging in your area and price your offerings accordingly. Remember, your prices should reflect the quality of your services. With dedication and a knack for cleaning, starting your own home cleaning business can be a lucrative venture. Our second idea involves becoming a franchisee of an established home cleaning service. Now, you may be wondering, why franchise? Well, franchising offers several benefits. It allows you to leverage brand recognition. When you franchise, you're buying into a brand that's already loved and trusted by many. This can help you attract customers more easily than if you were starting from scratch. Furthermore, franchising provides you with a proven business model. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You're adopting a system that has been tested and proven to work. So, how do you become a franchisee? The process starts with finding a franchisor whose vision aligns with yours. Once you've found the right fit, you'll sign a franchise agreement and fulfill the franchisor's requirements, which may include training and financial commitments. Franchising a home cleaning service can provide a stepping stone into the industry with less risk. Our third idea is to offer specialized cleaning services. Now, you might be wondering, what are specialized cleaning services? Well, these are services that cater to specific customer needs and go beyond the scope of regular cleaning. We're talking about eco-friendly cleaning for those who are environmentally conscious, move-in/move-out cleaning for those in the real estate business, or deep cleaning for those needing a thorough scrub-down of their living spaces. Each of these services has its own unique selling point. Eco-friendly cleaning, for instance, uses all natural products that are safe for the environment and the household. Move-in/move-out cleaning is a godsend for property managers who need a quick turnaround between tenants. And deep cleaning? Well, it's like a spa day for your home. Not only do these services cater to specific customer needs, but they can also command higher prices than regular cleaning services. Offering specialized cleaning services can help you stand out in a crowded market and increase your earning potential. To wrap it up, we've discussed 3 potent ideas to make money with home cleaning services. First, we looked at starting your own home cleaning business. This idea is all about taking initiative, creating a customer base, and delivering quality service. It's a great way to take control of your income and work on your own terms. Next, we delved into the concept of franchising a home cleaning service. By partnering with an established brand, you can leverage their reputation and operational systems to hit the ground running. Finally, we explored the potential of offering specialized cleaning services. This allows you to cater to unique customer needs, from eco-friendly cleaning to specific services like carpet or window cleaning. Each of these ideas has its own benefits and challenges, but they all offer exciting opportunities in the thriving cleaning industry. Remember, The cleaning industry is booming, and there's plenty of room for new entrants. So why wait? Start your cleaning service venture today.